Hi and welcome to this new section. In this section, you're going to learn about two very important concepts in programming. These are functions and conditionals. So functions are used to keep your code more organized. So think of functions as small chunks of code, which together build a program. That is what you need to know for now. Functions are useful for other things as well, but you'll understand it as you build the real-world programs. In the next video, I'll write a function, but that is just a standalone function, so it doesn't interact with other parts of the code. It's just a function. But when you see the large applications later on, you'll see how the function integrates with other parts of the code. So that's a good thing of creating real-world programs. That is how you learn how to do programming in real life. And that's about functions. And then in this section, you will also learn conditionals, which basically are used to have your program make decisions. So if that number is greater than that, do this. If it's not greater, then do this other thing. That's basically the idea, but you'll see it in action. So this is about the introduction of this section. I'll see you in the other lecture.